So I'm attempting to make a mask today. This was my first prototype, my second prototype, which I thought would be my final, but I realized it didn't fit Nandroid faces with a nose. Because apparently I tried it on this face and she doesn't have a nose. So when I fit it on a face with a nose, I couldn't fit it properly. So I needed to update my pattern, and this 2.0, which looks like this. Yeah. I'm quite happy with the fit, so I'm gonna do it in video now. So first I traced the pattern on fabric 4 times. 2 times for the front side and then 2 times for the lining. I used a white gel pen to trace out the pattern on the fabric, and if it's a light fabric, sometimes I just use a pencil or a friction pen. A friction pen is quite cool because actually if you iron the fabric, the ink disappears, so it's very handy to make markings that you want to erase later. That was a terrible angle, so I changed it. So with the pattern that I've made, I cut out 2 for the front, 2 for the back. I always use white for the back because I'm scared to stain the doll's face. Okay, here we go. Here I'm sewing up the 2 back pieces, so it forms one piece. And then for the ends, you glue it. I use Yoo-hoo glue, and it's right here. A piece of stick, toothpick. I use a toothpick for more control because I just need a little bit of glue. Oh, I don't know if you see it. But you put a little bit of glue on the stick, and then you put it on the cloth, and then you press the cloth down. It's just, yay, no more raw edge. So again, take the glue and just squeeze a little bit on the stick. Is that captured? I have no idea. Put the glue tab on the fabric. How much? Enough. And then press it down. Yeah. So you end up with this. Do it again for the front piece. Okay, now I've put the front facing fabric and the lining fabric right sides together, and I'll sew across the top and the bottom, leaving the sides open so that I can flip it out later. I added fabric glue to the edge of the fabric because I felt like it was fraying quite badly. So to prevent it from covering all the way to my stitches. I just add a little bit of glue. So after the glue dries, I'm flip it inside out and go by here. I'm flipping it inside out. Takes forever. Come on. Okay. Let's test it on the face. See if it looks good. I guess that's good enough. Okay, I guess that works. Now you get yourself an elastic. It's just elastic thread. You map it from the one ear. Do it from one ear to the other ear and back to the center with some sort of overlap, I guess. And then cut it. Take your threads and tie a knot. And then put it through. Yeah. So now I give it. Looks like this. Am I off the entire time? Well, I usually sew stuff for dolls, but I sewed a few masks for myself. At least they're very cute, so I'm showing them off. So these patterns can never be for doll clothes because they're too big. Even this is too big for a mask. But hey, I like it. I haven't worn this one yet.